About a year ago, I started looking for other ways to make money because money was getting short. I was kind of panicking a little bit, tapping into savings a little too hard, and I was trying to find a different way to make money. And ended up helping a friend of mine out shooting some content for him for some other brands, and just kind of kept that going. Now I'm 1 year deep into doing this for brands on my own at this point, and this month I just made $19,500. Like, I just got paid from another client now, $10,000 from this client alone. One client. That's a 5-figure client right there, you know? None of this would have been possible unless I put in the work throughout the year, but I've been making consistent 4 or 5 figures pretty much since month number 2. And it hasn't really stopped. I've just gotten better. I've gotten more retainer deals. It's gotten more secure. It's gotten more fun. It's gotten more lucrative. It's gotten more better companies I'm working with, stuff that I actually want to wear, stuff that I actually would buy before, right? So yeah, I just really wanted to just be honest, raw, and just kind of talk to, like I said, someone like me. Doesn't matter if you're young. Like, I would have needed this talk or this heads up back when I was 18. Like, I was living in my parents' basement, working at a gym, cleaning drains and shit. Like, if I just put time in and worked on myself, kind of, I feel like if I just knew of a way to make money like this, just my phone, from anywhere I would want to be, right? I could be in the States, I could be in Norway where I'm from, I could be in Dubai, I could be in Spain, and still make this money. Like, I could still work with these brands. I would just bring the product out there. Like, I could travel every 2 weeks, no problem, throughout the whole year, if that's what I wanted to do, and still make this multiple 6-figure income. And honestly, just all the opportunities, how it's helped me build my own confidence and stuff like that. It's pretty remarkable, to be honest. So, but what I'm just mind blown about is just like receiving this payment. $9,990. That's pretty crazy. Like, made 9,000 today, so April 4th, $9,990, and then on the 28th, $300 that was commission for some affiliate stuff, and then on the 24th of March, $2,000 plus $1,000 in merchandise. So I'm not saying this to brag, I'm saying this to show you, like, I literally made all of that with this exact phone right here and this microphone. This phone I'm paying $23 a month for. $23 are my expenses, and I make that much money. I'm paying for this microphone $100 on Amazon, right? This is what I need. I have a light, $19 on Amazon. This is all I need. It's pretty insane. I'm just saying, like, shit like this I'm receiving. Like this, wallets, eyewear, deodorants, tripods, the list goes on, and money, best of all. So check this out. I'm on track to continue to do this, right? Every month moving forward. That's $234,000. No followers. Basically, I have 3,000 followers, but none of them buy anything from me. Like, the brands don't need me because of my following. You get what I'm trying to say? They just want me to record a video of me talking about something in a certain way with a certain formula that I have come up with, and then they want it edited a certain way and sent it off. And then they put money behind it. That's what I'm trying to say. It's pretty insane. I don't need the followers. I just need a phone. I just need a microphone to make it even better and more high quality content. So little hacks like this, the good lighting, the techniques, how to sell, and so on and so forth. All of this I teach within the Creator Catalyst Academy. So if you want to sign up, It's $48 a month. You can get all the info you need, learn, see what the community is like, if it's even worth it. And if you don't like it, just delete, cancel, you're done. $48, you have the course, no harm, no foul, right? But if you do like it, I'm gonna try to post as many gigs as possible within the community. My goal is to actually, as I'm working with brands, try to reach out to the brands and get something going where I can give work off to you guys as well. Maybe at a discounted rate in the beginning, but just to get you guys going and signed up with brands. So that's kind of the goal, to have as many people within a community reviewing each other's work, talking to each other, giving each other heads up as something's changing, maybe with AI, other opportunities to make money, editing opportunities. So I just want to create a cool community of people that are like me, honestly. A creative dad that just wants to feed my family and, I don't know, live a chill life, travel the world, see what's good, pretty much, right? And put some money aside, maybe build a company, invest some money here and there, retire hopefully whenever I want. So that's the goal. So if we align on that, maybe I can help. I've helped a lot of people in person at least. So I think that with you guys being open to learning and me being willing to helping you guys, we can do this. So if that sounds interesting to you, please check out the Creative Catalyst Academy below.